Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Physical Chemistry. In this video, we discuss the introduction to chemical kinetics and its definition, rate of reactions and the factors affecting on it, the various chemical processes taking place in a routine way. Have we ever thought about a fundamental question? Why does a chemical reaction takes place? This can be explained thermodynamically by taking into account the energies of the reactants. But there are other questions are also associated with the chemical reaction. For example, to what extent a reaction occurs, how fast it moves, and if a reaction is slow, can the reaction can be made to occur quickly? Such question concerning the rate of reactions and the conditions which affect the rate form the basis of chemical kinetics or reaction kinetics. What do you mean by the chemical kinetics? It is defined as chemical kinetics, the study of rates of chemical reactions, factors which affect the rate and the mechanism of a reaction. That is, chemical kinetics is the study of rates of chemical reactions. What are the factors which affect the rate and mechanism of a reaction? Remember, the word kinetics is derived from the Greek language. The word is kinesis, which means movement, Now let us discuss the concept of rate of reaction or reaction rate. The meaning of word rate means speed. That is, the rate of reaction tells as to what speed the reaction occurs. Let us consider a simple reaction in which reactant A gives the product B. During this course of chemical reaction, the concentration of reactant decreases. At the same time, concentration of product increases. That is, we observe the change in concentration of reactant as well as in concentration of product. And it is nothing but the rate of reaction or reaction rate. What change we observed? We observed for reactant, concentration decreases, and for product it is increases with respect to time. Therefore, rate of reaction is defined as the change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. Okay. Now, we can write for this reactant rate of reaction is equal to, here concentration of A is decreased, that is, it is disappearing. Therefore, we can write rate of disappearance of A. That is, rate of disappearance of A means there is a change in concentration of reactant A. D represents the infinitesimally small change in concentration, and the square bracket represents the concentration with respect to change in time. Here, rate of disappearance of A, that is, concentration of A is decreases. Therefore, we put up a negative sign. Okay. At the same time, we can write for product B as rate of reaction is equal to rate of, here B is not disappearing, B is forming, that is, we can write rate of appearance of B, which is nothing but the change in concentration of B with respect to change in time t. Here B is appearing form, therefore we put up a positive sign. Remember, positive sign indicates the forming, that is the formation of product, while the negative sign indicates the disappearance of reactant. Now, what is the unit of rate of reaction? So simply, no need to remember, it is simple to derive. Here it is nothing but a rate of reaction, change in concentration of reactant or product with respect to time t. Here concentration expressed in generally moles per liter upon time, that is the unit is per time. We can express time in minutes, second or hours. Therefore unit of rate of reaction is mole per liter per time. But remember, this is the unit of rate of reaction when the reaction is in the solution phase, is carried out in the solution phase. When the reaction in the gaseous phase, at that time unit is atmosphere per time. There are some factors which affect the rate of reaction. Let us state what are that factors. The first one, nature of the reactants, concentration of reactants, particle size of reactants, temperature, and the catalyst if it is present in that reaction. These are some factors which affect the rate of reaction.